Why sometimes I have to look and I have to really look and laugh right now. I have to really look and laugh. Really and truly look and laugh. I love Diamond still and nobody can stop me from love Diamond. Diamond my sister. Sometimes I gotta have disagreement and sometimes I gotta have agreement. You see me? And if you not look for your friend and tell him say him wrong for take things to the media and I mean me alone I gotta tell say me wrong. Me not see the sense in that. Because when people are talk them for talk straight. You see me? When people are dig hole, them have to dig too. You see me? So when Diamond session like that, that's cool. When people are dig hole, them have to dig too. Because I never send nobody to me there. But I forever rate Diamond, no matter what one. But you see Vani. Yo. You see Vani, bro. But no Vani rate me, you know. But Vani has show me say. She don't really only rate me. But she love me certain way. What you say? Eh?
Bad man.
Me there,
Make
man.
it look good, brother.
Me there, man. They are raising me so forward.
Bro, a big man dog, you know, look good certain people, they pay your name certain way, bad man. You see?
That would, man.
And I like when me